So now we're in section 8.4. And this is no longer yes or no question. This is a numbers question. So what's your price? What's your house sell for in this market? What that house sell for? So we have an average price of the house sold for. We've asked a numbers question. What's the price of the houses? Okay, and that's what I'm doing in section 8.4 is it's a numbers question. And in this case, the only n that I see is definitely bigger than 30. Okay, that's why it's going to look a lot like chapter 7, is because, you know, we had one prop z interval and one prop z test. Now we've got z interval and z test. This matches up with the same kind of situation that was going on in chapter 7. I got a numbers question and n is bigger than 30. Okay, all right. So first I better write down some hypotheses. They said the average price is, I love when they say is. Okay, H0, the mean is 153,000. HA 153 not. So mu not equal to 153,000. Okay, did that. All right, now get out my calculator. Stat tests. Z-test. Okay, I've decided I'm doing Z-test. Not one prop this time, it's actual Z-test. Okay, so I'll go into Z-test. And data or stats. We had that same thing in the interval situation. This is stats. I don't have a long list of numbers, I just got that. Okay, mu0. Other person, which is why it's handy to use that little 0 as a reminder of what's supposed to go where. Because that's just supposed to remind you of other person. Okay, other person said 153,000. Sigma. If I wait around in line for somebody to come and give me a sigma, I'll never get anything done. I'm just going to use S. X bar. 145500. N is 110, and match up with the HA, which was the not equal sign, make it stick, calculate, get Z, get P. Z equals, that doesn't sound good, negative 17.48. P equals, make sure to pay attention, 2.16, E negative 68. Okay, negative 68. Oh, well, that's a super small number. That's why you really got to pay attention to those E negatives over there. Okay, that's like 0.00000. I got like 67 of those. 67 zeros, 216. Okay, it's a super small number. All right, that's the number I'm using. That's their chance of knowing what they're talking about. I don't see a significance on here. It must be 0.05. 2.16 E negative 68 is less than, by a long shot, is less than 5%. Okay, the chance of being right is super small. Reject, 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 reject. I call them up and I say, hey, guess what? I'm going to publish a big article in the paper about how you don't know what you're talking about. They go, wait. Now, see, I was misquoted. That wasn't right. I didn't say 153. The newspaper got it wrong. I said 146. Oh, okay. So we start over again. Same exact problem. Okay, forget that they ever said 153. All right, let's try them this time. Stat, tests, Z-test. Okay, mu0, supposedly they said 146. I didn't change my stuff, I did it right. All right. Now it sounds a little bit more like something that might happen. Z equals negative 1.17 and P equals 0.244. That's a chance of being right. They have like a 24% chance of being right. 0.244 is greater than 0.05, so fail to reject H0. All right. Slink back to my office and do nothing. Okay, I'm still not going to say, hey, these people are the super smartest people I've ever met, and I'm going to publish a big article in the paper about how brilliant they are. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to slink back to my office and say nothing and let the whole thing slide.